Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today I want to talk about a plant known as the lady's plant. Don't miss this amazing video. Fennel is a flowering plant species in the carrot family. It is a hardy, perennial herb with yellow flowers and feathering leaves. It is indigenous to the shores of the Mediterranean but has become widely naturalized in many parts of the world, especially on dry soils near the sea coast and on river banks. The stems is hollow, erect, and glassose green, and it can grow up to 2 meters or 7 feet tall. The leaves grow up to 40 centimeters or 16 inches long. They are finely dissected with ultimate segments, filiform or thread-like, about 0.5 millimeters wide. Its leaves are similar to those of dill, but thinner. The flowers are produced in terminal compound umbels 2 to 7 inches wide, each umbel section having 20 to 50 tiny yellow flowers on short pedicels. The fruit is a dry schizocarp from 4 to 10 millimeter long, half as wide or less, and grooved. In North America, fennel may be found growing in the same habitat and alongside natives Osha and Lumathone species, useful medicinal relatives. In the parsley family, fennel is widely cultivated both in its native range and elsewhere for its edible, strongly flavored leaves and fruits. Its aniseed or licorice flavor comes from anethole, an aromatic compound also found in anise and star anise, and its taste and aroma are similar to theirs, though usually not as strong. Fennel has become naturalized along roadsides, in pastures, and in other open sites in many regions, including both root crown and a weed in Australia and the US. It can drastically alter the composition and the structure of many plant communities, including grasslands, coastal scrub, riparian, and wetland communities. It appears to do this by outcompeting native species for light, nutrients, and water, and perhaps by exuding allelophatic substances that inhibit the growth of other plants. As grouped by the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, production data for fennel are combined with similar species anise, star anise, and coriander. A raw fennel ball is 90% water, 7% carbohydrates, 1% protein, and contains negligible fat. Dried fennel seeds are typically used as a spice in minute quantities. A reference amount of 100 grams of fennel seeds provides 1,440 kilojoules of food energy and is a rich source of protein, dietary fiber, B vitamins, and several dietary minerals, especially calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese, all of which exceed 90% DV. Fennel seeds are 52% carbohydrates, including 40% dietary fiber, 15% fat, 16% protein, and 9% water. Now, I want to tell you some benefits of fennel. Number 1. Fennel has few benefits for men. Fennel is known as a woman's herb, and fennel is not very useful for men. But regular consumption of fennel tea can strengthen sperm and thus increase male fertility. Fennel also increases men's metabolism and can help with weight loss. But as we said, due to the high levels of female hormones in fennel, men should be careful when consuming fennel. Number 2. Benefits of fennel for women. The important properties of fennel for women are very diverse and wonderful. Fennel is useful in both beauty and health for women. Menopause has annoying symptoms, including hot flashes, which women constantly complain about. Fennel can relieve these symptoms. Fennel is also very useful for women who have had premature menopause or have had their uterus and ovaries removed. One of the properties of fennel for women is the treatment of common bladder or uterine fungal infections and even ovarian laziness. Just wash your genitals with fennel infusion. It also increases women's ovulation power due to its high levels of female hormones. Fennel increases the amount of estrogen secretion in women. Fennel seeds are effective in the formation of new cells and breast tissue. As a result, fennel can cause women's breasts to enlarge. Fennel contains high amounts of vitamin C. This vitamin, due to its antioxidant properties, treats skin aging and helps to rejuvenate the skin. Fennel oil is also suitable for treating many hair problems, including dandruff, hair loss, lice, and etc. Fennel seed is also used for menstruation. Also, if your period is delayed, if you are sure that you are not pregnant, you can brew a tablespoon of empty fennel seeds with an equal amount of valerian. This is very effective for menstruation. Precautions and contraindications for fennel. Excessive consumption, not only of fennel, but of any herb, may cause reactions and sensitivities in the body. People who are allergic to fennel or have a history of ovarian, uterine, or breast cancer, or who are suffering from these diseases, should not consume fennel. Fennel is also prohibited for patients with uterine fibroids or people with a history of endometriosis. This herb should also be consumed with caution during pregnancy and menstruation. If you experience any suspicious side effects after consuming this herb, be sure to inform your doctor. It is better to consult a nutritionist before consumption. At the end of this video, it is an honor to be with you. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel, and our wish is your health. Have a nice day.